Hey everyone, welcome to this video where we're diving into the art of charisma. Whether you're looking to make a lasting impression, boost your confidence, or simply connect better with others, today's guide is packed with actionable tips. We're going to explore 11 powerful steps that will elevate your charisma and make you someone people can't forget. So, if you're ready to unlock your full potential and become the most magnetic version of yourself, let's get started. Confidence is key. Confidence is the cornerstone of charisma. When you enter a room, stand tall and roll your shoulders back. Confidence isn't just reflected in your posture, but also in your tone of voice. Speak with clarity and decisiveness, avoiding vague statements. Maintain eye contact to convey trust and sincerity. When discussing a topic, let your knowledge shine through. But be careful not to come off as arrogant. Boost your self-belief by recalling your achievements and celebrating them. Be an active listener. Listening is a powerful communication skill. Pay close attention to what others are saying and resist the urge to interrupt. Show that you're actively listening through your body language. Nod, maintain eye contact, and give small verbal cues. Ask questions to deepen your understanding of the other person's perspective. Listening makes people feel valued and helps you build strong connections. Take note of key points in conversations and refer back to them when needed. People trust and respect you more when they feel heard. Show empathy. Empathy is at the heart of building charisma and forming deep connections with others. Try to understand others' feelings and perspectives by asking yourself, how would I feel in their shoes? Showing empathy demonstrates that you care about people and their emotions. An empathetic approach helps you build strong and positive relationships, even in challenging situations. When people feel understood, they begin to trust you more. This trust enhances your charisma and makes you more attractive as a person. Stay positive. A positive attitude spreads energy and happiness to those around you. Approaching challenges with an optimistic outlook motivates both you and those around you. Smiling not only lifts your mood, but also makes interactions easier and more pleasant. By using positive thoughts and words, you can better navigate negative situations. Positivity inspires others and makes them want to spend more time with you. A positive demeanor helps you remain calm and composed, even in stressful situations. People are naturally drawn to those who radiate positive energy. Use body language. Body language is a powerful form of nonverbal communication and is as important as what you say. Display open and relaxed posture and avoid crossing your arms. Make eye contact to project confidence and warmth, helping others connect with you more easily. Use your hands to emphasize your words, making your speech more compelling and believable. Express your emotions through your facial expressions. Smile, show surprise or curiosity. Reinforce your words with your body language, avoiding contradictory signals. The right body language boosts your charisma and makes you more persuasive. Invest in self-improvement. Continuously learning and developing yourself makes you an interesting and knowledgeable person. Don't shy away from acquiring new skills and knowledge. This is crucial for both personal and professional growth. Read books, attend courses, and gain experience in different fields. Your self-improvement journey enhances your confidence and inspires others. Knowledgeable and skilled people are naturally charismatic and are admired by those around them. Encourage others to pursue learning and growth as well. This not only benefits you, but also positively impacts those around you. Share your passions. Talking about your passions and hobbies helps you find common ground with others. Sharing your interests allows you to engage and connect with people on a deeper level. Telling stories about your experiences and passions helps others get to know you better and increases their interest in you. When you speak about what you love, your enthusiasm is contagious, and it energizes those around you. Your interests make you unique and set you apart from others. People are naturally attracted to those who speak with passion and energy. Sharing fosters strong and meaningful connections. Be genuine and authentic. Don't be afraid to show your true self Authenticity and sincerity attract people to you. Drop the masks and be yourself. Don't conform to others' expectations. Stay true to your values and beliefs, which will earn you respect from others. Authenticity is the foundation of trust, and people trust those who are genuine and honest. Accepting yourself as you are encourages others to accept you as well. Being authentic allows you to form deeper, more meaningful relationships. People are naturally drawn to those who are real and sincere. Practice kindness and respect. Show kindness and respect to everyone. This is one of the most powerful ways to influence others. Be well-intentioned and understanding, which builds trust with those around you. Make people feel valued. Small gestures of kindness can have a big impact. Communicate with everyone in a respectful and polite manner, which enhances your charisma. Kindness and respect are fundamental in any relationship and leave a positive impression on people. This leads to strong and lasting connections. People are naturally drawn to those who are kind and respectful. Master the art of storytelling. Being a good storyteller is a powerful way to capture attention and influence others. Stories help convey your message effectively and create an emotional connection with your audience. Share your experiences and lessons. Learn to engage and inspire those around you. Use colorful and vivid language to bring your stories to life and draw listeners in. Stories simplify complex ideas and capture people's interest. Through storytelling, you can inspire and motivate others to take action. The ability to tell a compelling story enhances your charisma and makes you unforgettable. Be decisive. Decisiveness is a powerful component of charisma. Know what you want and take steps to achieve your goals. When making decisions, don't hesitate. Knowing what you want and acting accordingly influences those around you. Being decisive earns you respect in both personal and professional settings. Displaying clarity and confidence in your decisions makes others view you as a leader. While making decisions, be logical, but don't ignore your emotions. People are naturally inclined to follow individuals who are clear and confident in their choices. And that's it, folks. You've just learned 11 actionable steps to enhance your charisma and leave a lasting impression wherever you go. Remember, charisma isn't something you're born with. It's a skill you can develop with practice and persistence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Share your own experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're working on boosting your charisma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.